Hi, we're back in here ready to do some more math. So take a look here. We're on in Standard 13 right now, and Standard 13 is Lesson 11-6, Rational Expressions with Like Denominators. Now that's the easier kind to do because when the denominator is the same in the bottom, it makes it a lot easier to do the problem. For example, this is example 1 on page 608, which we did in class today. All you have to do on this, if you were to rewrite this problem, you can take that denominator, 12, and just write it one time. And then you can take these two like terms, the 3n and the 7n, they're like terms because they both have an n. You just add them up, 3 plus 7, and you get 10n over 12. You're almost finished there, so here's what you have to do, and that is to see if you can reduce anything. So what we'll do here is reduce the 10 and the 12 by dividing by 2. When you divide by 2, you get a 5 here, and you get a 6 down here. So to write the final answer, all we have to do is write our 5, keep the n that we had, and it's over 6. And that would be the answer for that, the FA. Then we move over to number 2. It's the same kind of problem. Notice that the denominator on both of them is x plus 1. So we're going to rewrite this problem also this way. Put the x plus 1 on the bottom. But now we have 2x plus 2, and we can put that all on the top, 2x plus 2. Now there is one additional step on this problem because this 2x plus 2 is something that we can factor. So we look at the 2x, which is one of the terms, and the other term is the 2, and we notice that, oh, there's a 2 in both of the terms. So we can now extract or take out the 2 from those two terms, and then we set up parentheses for the rest of what's left over. Inside the parentheses we put what we didn't put out here. So what is left here is the x, and then here we do 2 divided by 2 is 1, and so we put plus 1. So we have now factored the numerator of the problem. We put that now over the same denominator that we started with, which was the x plus 1. And at this point, we look to see if there's anything that we can cancel out top and bottom. You'll notice that we have the x plus 1 here and the x plus 1 at the bottom. They are a team. They go together because they're joined by the plus sign. So we cross out the entire x plus 1 here and the entire x plus 1 here. The only thing that's left is the 2, and that means that the answer is 2. F-A.
Fat animal.
Fat animal, funny answer, whatever you want to say, but that's the first two examples.